Hello everybody, my name's Cam from Etani, and I want to answer a really important question that accountants keep asking me. Why business intelligence? You've got heaps of analytics programs out there. Why would you go down this path? I think it's twofold. One, it's better. So this is what's called self-service BI, okay? So that means that you get the same templates, but you can move the goalposts. Think of it like your own canvas. So if you were doing a 30-day moving average on sales, you can change it in one moment to a 90-day moving average sales if that business is perhaps seasonal and you want to flatten the sales out. If you use the other analytics programs, feature request, they won't even change it, you'll be waiting, you won't be able to give what your clients want. The second one is what stands it apart more than anything, how different it is. Power BI is your hub for data. You can literally put any form of data in there. If you're working with your clients through QuickBooks, Maya or Xero, more than likely they have an operational system, whether they're in retail or whether they're a tradie or whatever it might be, they'll be working with some of the bottom operational systems you can see. And almost exclusively, these operational systems do not tip transactions into Xero and Mob and QuickBooks. They tip daily movement. What does that mean? Well, that means that you miss out on a hell of a lot of important information. Profit margins, they won't actually tip in the actual inventory movement. What about customers, their addresses, so that you can actually see where your customers are? None of this information comes into Xero, so you've got to go to the operational system. Secondly, ERPs. So sure, you might have a big chunk of your client base in these small accounting softwares, but you've probably also got a few clients that are in ERP systems like Dynamics and NetSuite and MyOb XO. So how do you service them? You know what you're probably doing right now? You're probably using Microsoft Excel. Well, Power BI is the perfect transition for them to put them into Power BI, get some integrity on that data, and also get some more reporting capabilities that you've never seen. Thirdly is the other section. So I've put a few examples on here. This can branch to lots of different areas. I've put Stripe to represent payment gateways. HubSpot is a CRM system. Lots of really cool cloud-based CRM systems on the market right now. Excel's huge. Power BI and Excel are made by Microsoft. They work in perfect symmetry. So for example, if you've got an Excel budget, that budget can sit perfectly in Power BI, because Power BI is where you can actually present it to your client in a really clean reporting way. So the last point I want to make is why Microsoft Power BI. There's heaps of BI tools out there on the market. Here's a Gartner report. You see Microsoft up there in the top right. They're the best. That's as simple as that. You choose the best. Microsoft is the best. It's the best for us as accountants because it's built for us as business users, not professional data scientists. And good news on that front, because some quotes coming out of Gartner. Have a look down the bottom there. Gartner predicts that by 2019, we're going to actually take over professional data scientists. That's how big this self-service movement is. And you can be a part of it. This is the opportunity that sits in front of you.